Hello friends, today let me show you A1 series brush shower panel, smart type A1. Yes, and from top, this is the head shower with silicone anti-block particles, very easy to clean with hands, and reinforce this type. And also, you can see this part can be dismantled for packing with less packing size. Also here, you can see no touch screen, no fingerprint. And second is the hand shower. It's SUS 304 material of stainless steel, high quality. Also, this support is copper and direction adjustable. And also this is the pipe connection. And the third part is the side spray. This is with universal joint for different direction. Also can aim by pressing lightly. For the controlling, this is electricity and water, different part. Electricity for the LED touch screen. You can see it's just like a mirror. It's enlarged. Also showing temperature here if you have the power on. Here, power off also here. And up temperature, down temperature. M1, M2 for one touch of your preferred temperature of setting. Okay, when you install this shower panel, first turn on water for different head, side, and hand shower. Off 360 degrees free. Yes. And then for the volume size, volume of water control here, a different volume of flowing water because it's built in with the Instant Water Heater. And also here, very flexible. Okay, so this is A1 brush silver. You can have a look again.